Hello, this is O.M.A Medical Studio once again. We come your way. And today I want to take time and then talk to you about the nebulizer and then how it is used. Now, this is a nebulizer and then it's portable. And one of the key characteristics is that it doesn't make noise. I mean, when you look at this side, you see that there is no noise. Unlike the ones you see at the various facilities, once you plug it and then start it, you hear a whole lot of noise. And even if you have Bluetooth, it can rise. Okay, so that's just by the way. Alright, so this is a nebulizer. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Very portable, and then it has a container you can put your medications in. This is it. You can open up the container this way, then you have it. See that this one already we have some liquid in it, so we are going to use that to demonstrate to you. Alright, so that's it. Then this is where you put your mouthpiece or your mask. Then you just put it on your mouth. Alright, so that is it. And it has a connector, a DC connector. This is a power source, a power connector. So in the absence of the batteries, you can use this one. Or in the absence of this one or lights, you can use the batteries as well. And there is a mask. It comes with a mouthpiece, this one. So this one basically for kids who are scared of the mask. This one for the kids. You just plug it here. Just plug it here. Then you put it in their mouths and they take it. So let me leave it like that. Then you have your mask attached to it. So this is it. Alright, so this is a mask. And now we have a new type that comes with actually two masks. Yeah, it comes with this mask attached to it, in addition to the mouthpiece here. So that's the new one that we have now. Okay, so this is it. So we are going to demonstrate to you how it can be used. Alright, so there's your battery port. Just under it, you have your battery port. So you open it, it has two batteries connector. So this is a very good battery, do as a rechargeable. So yes, so I'm going to place my battery into them. Then I close it. Yes. Then I place my pen on it. Now I have a liquid in it. Once I press the button, the power button is going to start working. So this is it. Now, oh, it's not. Then I think I didn't put the battery in it. Oh yes, yeah, I messed up with the battery. Sorry. Alright, so this is it. Now the power is on. So as you can see, this is it. So your portable nebulizer is working for you. So for kids who are very scared of the mask, this is what you use for them. So they put this side in their mouth. Right. So let's put let's go with the mask. So you just put your mask there just to control the inhalable. Then so you can open up. So this is it. You understand? It's a very good device. A very good device. So this is a portable nebulizer. You can put it in your bag, in your pocket, wherever you are going. So it's very good for asthmatics, people with consistent or persistent nasal congestions as a result of common cold and all of that. If you are in a very rainy area where common cold is very persistent, you can get one for yourself and then just be using it. It's a very good device, very portable. It doesn't even make noise at all, so it doesn't even disturb your neighbor. Alright, so if you're asthmatic, it's very good for you. Just get it and then you are good to go. Once you have your medication in your bag, in your pocket, you can even tell a friend, that's if you're asthmatic, that anytime there is an attack, unprovoked one, and then you kind of can't help yourself, your friend can help you. It's a very good device. It's very easy to use. Alright, so this is O.M.A Medical Enterprise, O.M.A Medical Studio, coming to you with this kind of nice medical device. Please try get in touch with us. Our contacts are on the screen. Contact us. We do nationwide delivery as well. It's a very cool product that goes for 350 cedis. Get it and trust me, all these attacks are going to vanish. Alright, thank you. Subscribe to the channel and then expect more videos from us.